This is a Cooler Master MM712 gaming mouse. This is a wireless mouse and it was recently sent to me because this mouse is having scroll encoder issues. In this video, I will be showing you how you can disassemble this mouse, and later I am going to be installing this TTC Gold encoder. This is one of the best options if you are in the market for a mouse encoder. I have used this encoder in a lot of mice previously and I never had any issues. So now let's just get all the screws from this mouse out. After getting the top shell off, we will first need to get this cable off. And there we go. And I guess the user has tried getting this battery off previously, because the way this plugs into this connector is not the way it should have been. The wire has been bent. Anyways, I'm going to just remove this battery. I'm just going to use some paper like this that is not going to stick to the surface and is going to protect the adhesive so that there is no dust settling. Now I am going to keep the battery aside and we need to remove these two screws. And there we go. So the mouse PCB is out at this point, and we will need to remove this stock encoder before we can install a new one. First, let's get the scroll wheel off. And if you are someone who is going to attempt this, I will suggest you to just get these optical switches out too. These are just clip-on switches. You can easily get them off. Now we will need to mount this PCB to the helping hands, and only then I'll be able to just get this scroll encoder out. Now a quick tip for anyone who is getting started or is not having any experience in soldering. First up, if you are new, then I will not suggest you to just go for a repair like this. There are more chances that you will be just destroying the entire thing. So I will not suggest you, if you don't have enough experience, don't go for this scroll encoder removal. After doing this, it is a good idea to just plug the mouse just like this before putting everything back together. This is going to ensure the scroll wheel is working properly before you are done, getting the mouse reassembled. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you want to get a new scroll encoder installed in your mouse, then you can contact me on the number mentioned on the screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.